Hiya, welcome back. It's nearly Christmas, so I've not really got monies to be spending on it at this time of year. I've got some welding that needs doing on the frame, so I'm gonna break the bike down, get the frame, start doing some welding. There's some stuff that needs to be cleaned down and redone because I'm not very happy with some of the bits that I did. Just making a bit of a bodge for the hold the engine up. I've got a bit of a sore back at the moment, so I don't really want to be manhandling the engine. So I've got them pieces of wood there. I'm going to get the exhaust off. I've got two of these. I'm just going to weld them to these plates, and that'll make a little basic stand just. So I've just quickly welded that on, put that on the other side. I've got an Artec MIG, it's a MIG 180. It's a little noisy, but it's alright, could do with a good clean really, a bit like the rest of my garage. So things I want to do, get welded up on the frame, is the underside of here needs to be welded, needs to be cleaned up. Won't be doing it now, but I may add another plate here. Some of these might be a little hard to see, but some of these welds are not the best there, so I want to address those. Get these exhaust hangers welded up. These can be cut off. There's another one on the other side. They're not going to be needed. I'm going to leave this hole. There's also a small hole in the frame there. I'm not quite sure what that is for. I'm going to have a look and see what should be in it. If it's nothing important, I'm just going to weld the hole up. These are going to be the tank mounts. These need to be strengthened up, so I'm going to have a little plate coming off the side, both sides, tidy it up a little bit. That all wants welding up. They want grinding back flush. They're for the CDI unit, so they're going to stay. That's for the horn. I'm going to keep the horn where it's supposed to be. Just a couple of little bits to come off. This is going to come off. This is going to come off. Get rid of this and clean up this. This is from me trying to sort out footrests. Not sure whether I'm going to keep these here. There's 4 altogether, and then one at the back. I was going to use it as a tray, because obviously there's going to be a tray there. But I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that. Plus I'd also like to clean up the back end of here. This needs tidying up. Just get a little bit done on the frame.